好啦，今日咧我喺金鐘站，咁就唔使好趕時間，因為今日咧唔使趕住收工啊返工。所以咧你見到金鐘站 Admiralty Station，the very big station。你睇下呢度，你睇下有幾多隻顏色咧，你就見到有幾多條唔同地鐵線啦。咁嗱，你數下啦喎，有幾多隻顏色啊？有深藍色港島線，紅色荃灣線，淺藍色就係東鐵線，南港島線咧係青綠色嘅。係啦，咁咧姨媽今日咧就要搭東鐵線啦，淺藍色。咁所以陣間咧你就陪我揾淺藍色咯喎 ，OK？Tell me which way to go。我哋揾咗東鐵線咧就可以翻到屋企噶啦。如果咧你去海洋公園咧，去睇熊貓啊、dolphins 啊、fish 啊、penguins， 就係南港島線啦 ，OK？ 咁我哋出發咯喎 ，OK？ 我哋要揾咩顏色啊？陣間去搭火車。嗱，我哋今日搭東鐵線，淺藍色，好靠你啦 ，Let's go！ 好啦，首先呢度啱唔啱咧？唔係喎，你未見唔見到啊？係啦，呢度我哋要行嗰邊喎。But let me show you this。呢個就客務服務中心 Customer Service Centre。Well, this one is right there。見唔見到上面寫住咩？金鐘。OK，so anyways，when you see 呢個咧，咁我哋就見到有好多公仔，佢可以買嗰啲公仔，就 like little train dolls。呢個機鐵仔、高鐵隊長、鐵仔同埋綠鐵 B。So funny。跟住咧有好多唔同小車車㗎，全部都係唔同嘅巴士啦、輕鐵啦。啊，呢啲都好得意喎，我之前冇見過呢啲喎。Well, we don't need all of them. I'm sure you guys have tons of little cars at home. Don't need another one, right? 好啦，咁嗱，呢個 customer service 咧就唔係淨係買嘢嘅 ，OK？你去八達通冇錢啦，你擺錢落去啦，你有問題啦，你都可以嚟呢度嘅。好啦，我哋而家入閘啦，好冇？我哋記唔記得？仲記唔記得我哋揾咩顏色啊？係啦，淺藍色啦 ，Let's go！ 好，行邊邊 ？Which way am I gonna go, guys? Light blue, right? Over here。你見唔見到啊？同埋你見唔見得？認唔認得呢個？呢個係 exit 啦，係咪綠色即係出口？呢個咧 up and down 係咩啊 ？Lift 係升降機。呢度有廁所啦，係咪啊？個 toilet。呢度可以 baby change baby， 幫佢換 diaper 係咪啊？好，跟住咧，但我哋行呢邊啦。咁你見到啦 ，What's the symbol for train? That's the symbol for the train. Okay, so you're right. We're gonna go this way. 好，金鐘站最出名係咩啊？除咗轉車之外咧，就係massive escalators everywhere。係咪好長好長啊？好啦，咁平時咧，我哋一係咪個個咧都係企埋一邊嘅喎？我哋好守秩序㗎。我而家因為後邊冇人咧，我就咁樣企喺中間影俾你睇啦。But then I should stand to one side and 要係咪睇下前面嗰個哥哥就好好啦？係咪去揸住個 handrail 喎？變咗如果電梯突然之間停，你都唔驚碌咗落去咯，係咪？所以搭電梯唔好走嚟走去啦，要企定定啦，係咪揸實扶手喎？隻腳好唔好喺度擦下咁樣？唔得嘅喎 ，OK？Number one, it's gonna make your shoes really dirty, and then number two, more importantly， 有時候啲你嘅 shoelace 咧會 suck it inside， 咁你就腳就攝住咗，喐唔到啦。OK， that's dangerous。所以我哋企定定，係咪啊？搭電梯咁金鐘有好多長電梯啦，所以我哋咧真係唔好跑，唔好跳，唔好行上行落，企定定。咁我哋而家落電梯啦，好，嗱俾你睇下金鐘電梯咯喎，哇！仲有好多，係咪頭先我哋啱啱係呢一條電梯落嚟啦？係咪？咁你睇呢度，你可唔可以數下呢度仲有幾多條電梯啊？見到，我一齊數咯喎，1、2、3、4、5條電梯喎，係咪啊？5 escalators。好啦，咁你數下幾多條係上㗎？嗱，呢度我哋有5條電梯啦，總共係咪？咁有幾多條係向上㗎？係咪？1、2、 2、3，好，幾多條係向下㗎？落緊去㗎？2條係咪？1、2。Okay, there we go. So there's 5 here, and then there's some more on the other side actually. 我哋睇下先，姨媽都未正式數過，原來有幾多條啦？呢度仲有2條，係咪？頭先我哋啱啱喺度落嚟嘅，係咪好高好高啊？真係好高喎！好，跟住呢度咧有2條，呢度有2條啦，但呢度都有嘅喎，呢度又有2條喎，係咪啊？跟住咧仲有喎，應該呢邊。真係好多條電梯喎，原來金鐘係咪啊？你睇下呢度仲有4條喎，原來。咁我哋一齊再數過有幾多條長電梯啦，好唔好啊 ？Ready？ 一齊數咯喎，睇下你啲 numbers 可以數到幾高先。Ready？ 好啦，嚟啦！1、2、3、4。Okay, let's go over here。5、6，係咪啊？嗱，嗰短嗰啲唔計啦，長6、7，7之後咩啊？8條咯喎，好，呢度咧仲有長電梯啊，係咪8、9、10、11、12、13、13條長電梯喎？金鐘站好多長電梯，仲有好多條短㗎，我哋數唔晒啊，係咪啊？好，我哋記唔記得我哋揾咩顏色啊？淺藍色喎 ，Let's go！ Alright, another escalator， 係咪啊 ？And everyone 就揸住，係咪啊？見到前面都有好多唔同人揸住喎，係咪啊？揸住同埋企啦，你見到有冇人跑㗎？冇人跑㗎喎，係咪啊？個個都係企喺度嘅啫喎。So remember, stand still, don't run on the escalator. Not for running. OK， 我哋就嚟去到火車啦，係咪啊？嗱，你繼續幫我揾顏色咯喎。呢度啱唔啱啊？呢個係淺綠色，唔係喎，我哋唔係去海洋公園，唔係去見 Panda 喎。好啦，咁我哋繼續行啦。啊 ，What color? Which one? Do I go straight？ 直行啊，定係轉啊？我要轉彎咯，係咪啊 ？Alright, let's go this way。Uh-oh, I think this train is leaving. That's okay. 我哋話啱唔啱咧？係喎，見唔見到個 picture 啊？條 picture 係淺藍色，咁我哋真係揾啱啦。而晚咧，中意去後邊，因為後邊少啲人，唔使成日咁逼咧喺前邊。行後啲咧，其實都有好多位㗎。咁我哋咧就會坐呢架火車，直至到翻到屋企啦。咁我哋就唔使轉車啦，係咪啊？就你會睇到咯。淺藍色係咪條線？所以我哋而家喺金鐘 Admiralty， and we're gonna go this way. I'm gonna go that way. Okay? Alright. Alright. That was a good walk with you guys. Alright. Love you. Bye.